All right, Joel. Just an update on the Kodak Retina IIIc. Here it is. It's the same one that we talked about. I spent some time this Saturday afternoon working on it, and I fixed it. So it is ready to go. So I'll just, it's at 1 right now, so obviously when it gets to 1, it locks. As you can see that. See the 1 right there, and to release it, you're just going to push it in, and you're going to, I'll just put it to 24. Okay, and so we're ready. So right now I got it on a 60th. Just to show you it works all the way through. It's working as intended. I don't want to do it all the way here, so I'll just go to 5 so you can see it there. Do it this way so you can see it probably a little bit better. Just kind of weird doing it like this because it's not normally how I would hold it. So we're at 1. I take that, and then of course it locks, which is exactly what it should do. So there's the camera. It's probably not so great with this lighting right here. I'm gonna get some backlighting. There we go. But yeah, it's here's the 1 second. Make sure the timer's off. Oops, I gotta push it. There we go. It's unlocked. Here's the 1 second. Okay. A half second. And then I'll run the timer at the half second. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So that's the timer. And that's all she wrote. And this comes up, but anyway. So you can see it. There she is. All ready to go. Let me know if you're interested, and we'll get it done. I can ship it out to you. Thanks.